In this video, we'll see how to start up your Rover Pompe self-priming liquid ring electric pump. In the box, you'll find important warnings, the catalog, and the user manual. A suction filter, the electric pump, hose connectors, and ring nuts. Start by installing the hose connectors. Insert them into the ports. Before starting, completely fill the pump body through one of the two hose connectors. Filling it is essential to allow self-priming. Screw on the ring nut and secure the hose with high-quality metal clips. Make sure all connections are tight. Connect the plug to the power supply. The unit is now ready to run. The pump is reversible. Push the button to the right for clockwise rotation and to the left for counterclockwise rotation. The middle position is stop. After use, flush clean water through the pump to remove any residue. The pump requires no lubrication. The motor is designed to operate without maintenance. To clean the exterior, use a slightly damp sponge and dry immediately. If the unit stops working, unplug it and check the instructions in the included manual. Rover Pompe. Not just machines, but tools you can trust.